my beautiful people. Welcome back to another nighttime episode. HOA and I are here in our garage studio. We're so excited to be pouring for you. Last week I saw my good friend Fiona from Fiona Art using one of these very cool little contraptions, these little toys from paintpourstore.com. And I was so intrigued that I reached out and I got some. And I'm very excited to play with it. This is a new design. It's actually got two areas to pour into, and the paint comes out of two separate areas. So when you pour into this funnel-like one, it comes out from the center. And then when you pour into this bigger chamber here, it comes down the sides. And there's a couple different sizes. There's a 3-foot one, a 4-foot one, 5, and a 6. So I think we're going to use the 5 one tonight, just because I'm intrigued by that. So I'm going to move those over there. You can get these at paintpourstore.com, and the lovely people there actually gave me a discount code to give to you guys. If you put in Mina 15, you'll get 15% off of your order, which I think is pretty cool. So check them out at paintpourstore.com. And also huge thank yous to Fiona for always inspiring me and making me want to play with new things. So that's awesome. We have some leftover colors tonight. HOA, can you just come over here and I'll just point them out and tell you what they are real quick? Okay, so this first one is kind of a leftovers from that deep plummy color that we did in the last pour that we did, the 500 one giveaway. Also, if you guys haven't yet, go and please comment on that video in the YouTube comment section. Hashtag 500 beautiful dreams, and you will be entered to win our $50 gift card from Floetrol Co., which is really, really awesome. And I will show you the dried results of that painting in the next video when we announce the winner. So this is that beautiful plummy color. That was the quinacridone violet and dioxazine purple. This one, if I recall correctly, was a deep sapphire with a little bit of Prussian blue in there. This one I think is Pthalo Turquoise. And this one is titanium white. And then I have some bronze from Amsterdam. And this one I think is metallic cobalt blue. And then I have some more titanium white, and then I have a little bit of Egotistical left from the Stuck Up Piggies. This is that beautiful one with the color shifting from the burgundy to the bronze to that really cool green color. So that's just the leftovers of what's left in my cup there. So we're going to start out with, I think I'm going to put down a little bit of a white base coat just to start pouring into. Okay, because I don't want to do it on just a dry canvas, and then we'll use the rest of that as our flow extender. All right, so, ooh, wait a minute though. Okay, I have some string here. Actually, Fiona usually does the whole canvas. All right, I'm just gonna pour this out, and we'll spread it around the whole canvas, and then we'll find the center. Since we're being inspired by her, we should do it the right way, right? All right, this should be fun. I'm excited about this one. It looks like a neat little toy. I watched Fiona's video. I will link it up here for you guys. It was really, really beautiful. This is a 16 by 16 inch wood panel. So one of the best tricks that Fiona has taught me about finding the center for something is extremely simple. Just a piece of twine. Go from corner to corner. Mark that. And then corner to corner again. And we find the center right there, so we know where to put it. Okay, so I'm going to put him right there in the middle, just like that. Okay, now I kind of have an idea of what I want in my head based on what she did. I don't know what this is going to happen. I've never used this toy before, but it looks like lots of fun. Okay, I'm going to start with some of our Prussian-y sapphire color in that funnel part, which I'm intending to drip down and be in the center. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of white on top of that. Okay, it would be helpful if I didn't move it over with my cup. All right, and now I'm going to put a little bit of bronze in there too. Just very little bits at a time, not a lot at all. Okay, so we have that down in the middle. I think I'm going to put one more layer of the blue. Okay, now we're going to start here, and I'm going to start with some white in this part. And then we're going to go with my plummy color. And again, when you're doing this, you want contrast. Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, right? Now we're going to put some bronze in there. Okay. Interesting seeing what's happening. Okay. And a little bit of white. But that's like the background. So we actually, the color that's going to make our petals is in this bottom section here though. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's put a little bit more white in there. Actually, let's use this Egotistical. Layer of that in. Okay, let's put some of our turquoise in there. Okay, and go back to the white. Probably be easier if you had your paint in little bottles too. That would work well. You don't want it too thick, and I did actually thin out my paints because you want them to be able to go through those holes. All right. Kind of feel like I want to put another layer of the blue in this chamber here first for a second, and I think I'm going to put a little bit of this in that center too right now. That's looking pretty cool. All right, let's put a little bit more white. Okay. Let's go back to that plummy color. What do you think so far, HOA?
It's pretty boss.
Pretty cool, huh? I think I want to put a little bit of the white in the very center also. And then we'll come back with another layer of bronze and some blue. It's so cool watching it go down the funnel. Put some bronze in there. I'll put some bronze in this one too. Go back to the white. Actually better if I do it this way. Is this one getting as much there is? Okay, I'm gonna actually, is it even? Yeah, it looks pretty even. I'm gonna turn it though. I'm gonna go this way and just turn it 90 degrees, just in case I was pouring heavy-handed on one side more than the other. Let's go back to that very pretty plum color again. Put some more Egotistical in there. Love watching it drip down like that. Is so awesome. I'm going to turn it one more time, just one rotation, and let's go back to the white again. I want a little bit more blue in that final part. Okay, back to bronze. Egotistical. Some white. You think it's red?
It's red.
You tricky, huh?
No. Get mesmerized watching paint go down the
Yep.
things.
Alright, I think I want one more shot of the dark blue in the center. And just give that a second to go down. And then we're going to remove our contraption. Looks pretty cool though, so far though. I think maybe we need one more layer in the center. I'm going to turn it one more time back to this way. Some more white.
You can spin it out.
Yeah, a little bit. Not a lot though. Okay, let's get a little bit more white on top. Alright. That looks pretty neat. Alright, I'm going to take the rest of my white and I'm going to just go around it a little bit. There's the truth. Okay. Well, that's pretty neat. Okay, so I'm going to take this little stick and I'm just going to pull some of this. I'm actually not going to use the pointy end, I'm going to use the flatter end and just pull some of this into the center. Do a little finger dip right in the middle. Fix that. Love that. Thank you, Fiona. Okay, this is looking pretty neat. Shall we give it a spin, HOA?
Indeed. Sure it's centered.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll move these over. Alright. Push this out just over here just a little bit. Alright, HOA. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
I'm not going to go super fast, just gentle. Wow, it's mesmerizing. Okay. Alright, we're going to go the other direction now. Did I go this way? So I got to go this way. I think I kind of want to wreck the rest of it too, a little bit. Seeing it this way now. Alright, I'm just going to come in from the edge and go towards the center. Go out and do it the right way, huh? Duh. Except now I have those going the wrong way. Oh well. Okay, I'm just going to grab this one and go this way. Confuse you a little bit. Now I'm going to take these two, I'm going to go on the sides. Okay. All right. Let's give this another spin. Ready, honey? Now the paint's flying. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I just want to spin it a little bit more and get that off. I think we're there. Okay. That's pretty neat.
Yas, queen.
Okay.
Very groovy.
I like that. And there's a lot of that egotistical in there too.
Yes, yes.
It should dry really neat. So, not completely centered. It's a little bit off balance this way, but I think for the most part we did pretty good. This was a lot of fun. I'm going to go ahead and give this another finger dip right in the center. I really like that. I think it's really pretty. I kind of want to... Actually, you know what I'm going to do?
You need a drop of gold or something.
I'm going to drop of white. I'm just going to pull it out. There we go. That's cool. I'm going to do one more little finger dip in the center. And I'm going to call that done. I am going to go ahead and scrape the bottom. Okay, that's pretty awesome. I'm very happy with that. I think this is cool. This little contraption from Paint Pour Store are lots and lots of fun. Please check out their website at paintpourstore.com. And if you do decide there's something that you want, use code Mina15 and you can get awesome stuff. So this was pretty nifty. Okay, so this is looking pretty awesome. I will show you guys when it is dry, and probably that will be in the video on Sunday where we announce the winner of the $50 gift card from Floetrol Co. and TLP, and I will show you the results of that 500th video, 500 Beautiful Dreams. Please make sure you go and comment 500 Beautiful Dreams in the comment section of the last video, and you will be entered to win, okay? We'll see you on Sunday. Have a great day. Bye.